What you got?
Hey.
Chocolate?
Eat
Is it frosting?
it.
Is it good? Do you like it? Did you make a cake for Daddy? Did you make a cake for Daddy?
Yes.
Yes. Is it a surprise? Can you say surprise, Daddy? Say surprise. Chloe, can you say surprise? Say cake. Chloe, is it yummy? Let's wipe you up. Say, I love you.